Hello. In this video, we want to go ahead and look at increasing and decreasing functions. So we're going to let f be a function defined on some interval. Then for any two numbers, and yes, I do see that t there. Then for any two numbers, x1 and x2 in the interval, f is increasing on the interval if f of x1 is less than f of x2 whenever x1 is less than x2, and f is decreasing on the interval if f of x1 is greater than f of x2 whenever x1 is less than x2. That's a mathematical definition. To be honest with you, it's really probably not all that helpful. Basically, it says that what's going to happen here. So for this example, let's determine where this function is increasing or decreasing. So this function is increasing when you're going to, from left to right on the x-axis, the y value is going up, basically. And it's decreasing when, if you're going left to right, it is going down. And notice that for some intervals, it will neither be increasing nor decreasing because the function will be constant in that interval. And then going up and then going down. So going up, going down, constant, up and down. Good deal. And generally speaking, we don't like to include the endpoints. So for this function is increasing on the following. And when we're talking about this, we generally just include the x-axis instead of the y-axis. The y-axis tells us what it's doing. The x-axis is where it's doing it. Okay, so if you notice, to the left of -4, this function is increasing. And then between 4 and 6, the function is increasing. So we would write this, that was weird, as -4, negative infinity, comma, -4, parentheses, union, and then 4 to 6. Good deal. Now notice that I excluded all endpoints because at that point it's neither increasing nor decreasing. Now, I started at negative infinity because this keeps going to the left forever and ever, and it keeps going down that way, so when you're going to the right, it's actually going up. Awesome. That is for increasing. Now let's talk about for decreasing. So for decreasing, notice it starts at -4 and it's going down until this point here. And then over here at the 6, it's going down forever to the right. So the decreasing starts at -4 and continues to 0. And then union starting at 6 and going to the right to infinity. And there you go. Now for us, there's also a constant region for this function between 0 and 4. Alright. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.